Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Mayong hapon sa inyong tanan. It's coffee time. This is my coffee. This is my coffee. Shout out sa nag-birthday karong adlaw. Actually, birthday sa isa sa pinakagwapa or one of the most beautiful woman in Philippine industry. Si Miss Kissy Concepcion. Miss Kissy Conita Concepcion or Maria Cristina Cassandra Conita Concepcion. Anak siya ni Ate Sharon. Birthday niya karon, 39 years old na siya. Happy birthday to you, Kiss. Although di tayo magkaila, no? Hindi tayo magkakilala. But batiin lang kita na happy birthday. May the good Lord will continue to send you an abundant blessings in your life. God bless you always.